Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take the Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you. Whenever I turn on my computer, the Gigabyte Plus screen completely freezes. This is the main problem. Follow me to fix it. The cause of this problem is either a faulty SATA cable for the hard disk or loose cable connection. So first we will remove the CPU cover and inspect the area where the hard disk is installed to determine the nature of problem. Is the problem with the hard disk itself or is the SATA data cable or SATA power cable loose or faulty? First, we will carefully disconnect the SATA cable and the SATA power cable. After disconnecting the cables, you will find that they have accumulated dust. Please clean them thoroughly using a clean cloth. Then neatly connect the SATA data cable first and after that connect the SATA power cable. After connecting the SATA cable and the power cable, verify that they have been installed correctly. Next, attach the CPU cover, then insert the screw. After that, turn on the computer to check if any issue arises. If a problem persists, replace the SATA cable, otherwise replace the hard disk. If the same problem persists, then the issue of definitely originating from the hard disk. I have already checked the BIOS and found no issue problem. I even reset the BIOS settings. If there is a problem with the hard disk, replace it, install it in the CPU and then install the operating system in your hard disk. You can fix the problem in this way, then turn on the computer. I hope it will be resolved without any issue. Before you fix it yourself, you must know about computer, and after watching this video, if computer is any other's problem, then it is your fault. I hope this video help you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.